we're diving into transfer knowledge base to one to another. So glad you see it. Hit that like button and let's get started. Transfer knowledge bases. Transfer your knowledge bases from one Bitrix24 account to another. The transforming process consists of two main steps: export and import. First step: export your knowledge base. So, to export a knowledge base, first go to knowledge bases and select what you want to export. And so here I want to export this like knowledge base team. So in actions button, here we have export. I'm exporting this one. Then click on export. So here it was preparing for export knowledge base. So then click on download. It will download it to our file. For now, the second process. Step 2. Import your knowledge base to another one, to another account. So log into another Bitrix account or you can transfer to any here and follow further step. Go to knowledge base, then click on settings gear button, then select import knowledge base. Click on upload, then select that. Here I have my file. Select that file and open. Wait until the loading is completed. So our knowledge base was imported successfully. Click on done. Now you can use the transfer knowledge base. This was my transfer knowledge base. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.